Okay, here's like what we said earlier. We've got the two guns.
Do the D-boy first.
Here's the D-boy.
And here's the Echo.
As you can see, there's a definite difference. I have to wind my
Some
man.
of the BBs were messed up, so.
Here's full auto.
And here's full auto with the D-boy.
Echo.
Echo, that's it.
Yeah, my battery's not even fully charged, and you've got a 1600 in there. I'm getting a 1600 in this
This is a
thing.
1500.
Yeah, you're right. But it is a 9.6. It's double loading, which I hate. That's a dyer.
Hold on.
I don't know.
Wow, this is a late one. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, we got a
1600.
8.4 now. So gonna be a little less, but it's still good. That ain't good.
Here, you want to hold it now?
Well, hold on.
I need to wind. Whoa! Well, that'd be a nice. I feel it vibrating.
I can too. Of course
Downward
I can.
shot. That's going right into it. Yeah. The little things down there. The little things down there. See the little what are they called? Behind the swing set.
Shutters?
Shutters. Okay, we'll shoot at the target. Okay. Switch position to target. Just shooting for shooting. My FPS isn't as good as yours.
All you can see is just a white line from the Echo.
Yep, that's what you get from the D-boys. Move over. You barely see it.
You don't even see much.
Yeah, you do. I see that. Who are you kidding? It's right. My FPS needs to be upgraded with simple. You know what I don't know? Motor, possibly?
Yeah,
Spring.
motor.
Spring.
Motor.
Yeah, I'll get
Type
my.
boy.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna put in this gun. And I'll get my cousin to do that with me because I'm not the best at that. Okay, so you know, these are our M4s and they are amazing. We love them. So be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe for. Say your name.
Nutylil95r.
And Airsoft113. So you know.
Also check out some more of our videos. We also got a lot more. Who are you kidding?
I don't know. Who am I kidding? Did you turn it off?